Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Scotia bank account online. Logging into Scotia bank account online allows you to manage your finances from anywhere. To sign into your Scotia online banking account, launch open your web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in scotiabank.com. You will then end up in the official website for Scotiabank. From the home page, go ahead and click on your area from the list, and once you end up in the home page, tap on the sign in button at the top of the screen. In the login area, you can enter your card number or your username. Type it down in the first text box. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Write down your password correctly in the password field. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on Need help signing in and follow through the reset process. After typing down your credentials, tap on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your online banking account right away. If you've set up two-factor authentications, you may receive a code via text or email. Enter it to continue. And after you're logged in, you can check your balance, transfer funds, pay your bills, and manage your finances easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.